Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily allow Snapchat app access to your phone contacts. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up settings, then scroll down until you find privacy and security, then tap add contacts, and now you need to find Snapchat app in that list. Here it is. Then just make sure that this switcher next to Snapchat toggled on. If it's toggled off, like in my case, just hit on that to turn it on. That will allow Snapchat to get access to your phone contacts, and that may help you to find your friends from your contacts book on Snapchat. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Snapchat tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I see you in the next one.